In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly delete lots of Yahoo contacts. We'll start in a web browser. Head to yahoo.com. In the top right corner, click Sign In. On the next screen, click the Sign In button again to proceed. If your account is already listed, select it to continue. If not, type in your email and your password. When you're ready, click Next and follow any on-screen prompts to finish signing in. This might include a quick verification step. Just complete what you see until you're fully logged in. Once you're signed in, look to the upper right and click Mail to open Yahoo Mail. Inside Yahoo Mail, open your contacts. You'll see an option labeled All. Click All so you're viewing the complete list. This ensures every saved contact is visible, which makes cleanup faster and avoids missing anyone. To delete, click a contact from the list to open its details. In the contact view, find the three-dot menu. This is the More or Actions menu, and click it. Choose Delete Contact from the menu, then confirm by clicking OK. That removes the selected contact immediately. To clear out multiple contacts, simply repeat this process. Open the next contact, three dots, delete all contact, and OK. Working in a steady rhythm like this is a quick way to prune a large list without losing your place. A few tips as you go. Yahoo's layout can vary slightly by region or updates, but the sign in button is almost always in the top right, and Mail is in the same area once you're logged in. If Contacts doesn't appear right away, give the page a second to load. Clicking up All before you start deleting helps you verify you're seeing everything. If you have a long list, consider taking a brief pause after a batch of deletions to make sure the list refreshes properly. Keep in mind that deleting a contact does not remove any emails you've already sent or received. It only removes the saved contact entry. If you rely on certain addresses for autofill, make sure you really want them gone before you confirm. And if you're cleaning up a lot, it can help to start with the contacts you're sure you no longer need, then work your way through the rest. That's it. Sign in at yahoo.com, open Mail, go to Contacts, click All, open a contact, use the three dots to delete, and confirm with OK. Repeat as needed, and your address book will be streamlined in no time.